Welcome back to another episode of On the Limiter, and thank you to everybody that watched the last episode where I'd purchased this cheap Clio RS200 for £1,900. I mentioned some of the issues that it had, and today we're going to try and sort one of them issues out, which is the heater's really irritating, especially in this cold weather. It will only work on speed setting number 3, and I've had a Clio 182 before and a 172, and it's had a similar problem. And there was a little fix you could do. So I've bought a repair kit from eBay. It was £17. And I'm going to try and install that today. Now, one thing I would say, I'm about as mechanically minded as probably a chimp. And a chimp might find that offensive. But it looks fairly easy to do this. So we'll find out. I've got some tools. I've got a trim removal toolkit. Oh. Got some wire clippers, and I've got a screwdriver. Now apparently this should be enough to do the job. We'll find out. I'll show you what I do, see how we get on, and what's the worst that can happen, eh? So this is the issue we've got before I start. I'll just put the ignition on. The fans are blown away there. It's on speed 3. 2 doesn't work. 1, oddly enough, seems to work now. And 4 also doesn't work. So, number 4, number 2 won't work. 1 and 3 do. So, we're going to tackle that today with this kit. This is the kit that I've bought off eBay. We're going to try and install this. I'll show you where it goes, or where I think it goes. And we're just going to see if we can tackle that first problem. Here we go.
I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan. I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream away. Troubles behind, scars from another time. We're leaving now.
That's it. So this here is apparently the major issue with these cars. Well, not the major issue with these cars, but this is the issue with the heaters not working. And apparently some of them burn out, and you can see it when you remove them. And yep, that would make sense. Look at the state of that. Look at the state of that. So I think it's safe to say that is our problem. That's really bad. How that hasn't gone on fire is beyond me. Wow. Well, we'll get that chopped and we'll see what we can do. So what I've been advised is to plug that in, and then just one wire at a time, marry these up to the original harness. So I think that's what we'll do. See how it goes. Right, so I didn't video putting the wires together. That was going to be a little bit boring. This is the end result. I think I've paired them up correctly. We'll sharp know when I put the ignition on. So I'm just going to plug this plug back into where it needs to go. And before I put any of the dashboard and that back in, we'll test these heaters and we'll see if this quick fix has worked. Right guys, so here it is, moment of truth. We'll just put the ignition on. One's still working. Oh, there's 2, 3, and 4. Outstanding. There we go. Quick, simple fix. Man with no knowledge at all has managed to do it. So I just need to put all this back together now, and we'll move on to the next thing. But that's one job ticked off. Brilliant. Well, there we have it. It's all back together. Heater blowers are working on all speeds now. I'm over the moon with that. Man with very limited knowledge, and especially with electrics, has managed to do that. So these kits you get off eBay, I'll put a link. Really easy to use, really easy. And I did use YouTube to find out exactly how to do it. Next time we're going to find out which wheel bearing's gone, if that is the issue. I need to put the inner wheel arch in as well. I managed to find one of them, and I'll keep you posted on the updates. Thanks for watching, guys.